primetime news this evening. Children among 30 Haitians who arrived illegally in Boston Beach, Portland. Uncertainty in the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation as 3 sitting PNP councillors break ranks with the party. And recycled phone numbers, the challenges and how to solve them, we'll explore.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, I'm sure persons have been hearing the complaints about the point-of-sale systems and ABMs. Well, a financial institution has resolved some of those problems. That and more in the business day.
Thank you, Andrea. And Jordan Ford is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Archie, some of the reggae girls have begun arriving in Australia ahead of the FIFA Women's World Cup. Good news for reggae girls and Jamaica football fans in general, but some are yet to arrive. Just a little travel nuances there. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
Now, we've been hearing so much about Saharan dust and the like. Romain, what's coming up in the weather report and forecast?
Yes, Janella, we have been having some dust invade most of the Caribbean over the past day or so. The good news, however, is that it is much more thin, or it's thinner dust than we are accustomed to, but we are expecting temperatures to continue staying warm. We don't have very much rainfall in the forecast at this time.
You know, I want some rain. That's come tomorrow and tell us there'll be rain. There's also sports coming through ePrime and, as we said, weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what has been your experience using recycled phone numbers? You can't answer that question, Jordan, okay? Yeah.
But the rest of you can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and you can tweet us at TVJ News Center.
And the Primetime News returns right after this break.